right, it's Wednesday, July 26th. I'm buying some Tesla here at 264.59. This is on the 15-minute chart. Blue line buy. Had a nice move up to start the day. Pull back, big red bar, kind of held the midpoint of the first bar. I kind of like the support here at the midpoint of this first bar. You can see that tail here, you can see the tail here. None of the closes are really closing below that midpoint of the first bar, and now we're starting up. So I'm buying it here, looking for it to first. You have a big fair value gap here, target to get to 266. I still like the uptrend on this stock in the big picture. I described in some other videos, I think, that the weekly chart had a big broadening action to the downside, which is just kind of higher highs and lower lows. And now, it started up during the week to work back up towards those higher highs again in the 300 area. We had a big reversal day at that. Then yesterday was kind of a pause day into this gap. We came down, but now we're coming down just kind of the midpoint of that big green bar, which also aligns with good buying to start the session here and support. So there's all kinds of support in here. I think the big picture is heading up, like I said, after making higher highs and lower lows, back to higher highs. There's all kinds of gaps in here to fill, and I like this opening price action to at least kind of work our way up into this fair value gap, set up a no risk trade in here, and then see if we can get to the highs of the day and maybe have a nice, you got to get, highs of the day would be kind of taking out the midpoint of that bar for a reversal to get up there. If not, we're just going to have to hope this ends up more of a hammer bar by the end of the day green, and then we'll get the 2-up follow through to take that out tomorrow, because we're still below the midpoint of the prior day. I guess it's a unique trade in that sense that we have a 2-down day here, but we have the immediate buy up price action pull back to a key support area with bigger picture context to be, working up higher out of these lows down here. So we'll see if this kind of starts a push up. And again, got to get above the high of the day to really get a big reversal day going, but it could end up with a nice green hammer bar anyway. And that would be a great signal for into tomorrow. And if not, then, you just got to continue to watch it and see if we can eventually get the 2-down, 2-up bar forming on the daily chart here. But for now, going to give it a shot buying it here at the blue line, and let's see if we get a little push higher intraday.